tell me I don't sleep. I dep on the phone the whole day. I went to the doctor in the morning. I went, me get me joke. Him prescribe a medication. When I left the doctor, I go straight to the pharmacy. I pick up my medication. I take my pill the first day. The first time I take it, I did almost night already, around 8 o'clock. I said I take 2 pills a day. I start take my pills every day.
For how many days?
That question is not for me to ask. 7 days, you take a pill 2 times a day. You need to go ask him if him take for him. May I show proof of how much did left back for me. So I said, look at that together. And then I go back again and get checked in again. I may not have anything.
Nice.
But when them I walk and I talk about, you barely this me all upon them.
I drink a vitamin, Miguel.
I don't like how they put up all the areas and then right
No, your hair look nice. Your hair look nice. Me just not like how your breasts look drop.
No, but when me do my breasts, you don't understand the difference. You see my breasts them now? Me never have big breasts. Me will show you the size of my breast them when my breast them did small. And my breast them,
Send it, come give me that.
my breast, no, me will show you the clothes. You see my breast them, well I know, you see my breast them did smaller than this. You see after me have baby, my breast end up drop. Cause my breastfeed and my breast them drop. When me do surgery, if you get cut under your so that means say you don't make your breast then lift. You only put the gummy bears in them for they have a more fluff but look natural. So you see this a breast when me do, it never make for me stiff up in my chest. It give volume for it look more fluff, but it still look natural. If me want them to get bigger, me need for cut it go down and then them are gonna lift it like this. And then it are gonna up so. That is why I have a cut under yassa. If me I go lift it, me I go get a cut go straight yassa. Right. So I saw my breast there still. Let me show you the clothes. And you can't chat to me because I have a surgery next month. If you go lift them now. Show me which woman, the only girl let me see with stiff natural breast, them are girl them when I have no breast none tall. Like them breast.
Dyema.
She not have no breast none tall. For you look on Dyema not have no breast. Dyema breast they little and round eventually then. Any girl will have a full breast up for them breast can not be up here so it have to look so. You can't tell me nothing. A girl them when I have no breast or a girl them with breast, a girl them when them breast stiff they not have breast. Them breast little bit.
Vanny, which one of your man them? Which one of your man them? Dyema fuck with
What?
Eh?
What? Which one of my man Dyema fuck with? Dyema not fuck with a man from me.
Oh, Javi! Oh, me bumbo clock! So,
A 5 years me and Javi talk for now.
Man.
A 5 years me and Javi talk for when me I got in a high school, you know. So, me and Javi are no friend for years before Javi come on TikTok come be friends with them. Let me tell you something. A Dyema have me up for Javi. Yeah? Let me tell you.
But then alright.
Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why she have me up for him. Bear in mind, me and this boy used to talk from school days. Me and the boy done. I have one look at something where did go on. Me and him not talk. Me and him be friends again. Couple years after when him come back at town come live. Me and him stop talk again. Me and him talk back again. And then time them just a meet Akima everybody. When I say talk about me like friends wise, cause ever since we left from them high schoolers we never talk back. Javi end up come on TikTok. You see when Javi come on TikTok before Javi know Dyema, me used to do in a Javi comments. Cause before him and Dyema talk, him used to always upon him live I tell story. He ever give people them story timeline. And me used to comment and say, what are we gonna give them full story timeline? And me used to give him and thing. Way before Dyema coming at the picture. You see, before Dyema no Javi, me and Dyema used to dip on live every single day. We used to play a deer game every day. We used to dip on 4-way with Zumba them, everything. You see, from the day Dyema and Javi go start talk, I think him must tell her say we are talking. She never know nothing. I never yet come really speak on him on the internet. Me always tell me story them, but they never used to know who me attack. Me never come out with one picture and say that person and me attack. Me just always talk my story. So me know him tell her personally say we used to talk. You see, first she be friends with Javi and them start do them look a serious start. Dyema crash. Dyema no play match with me again. When me start saying Dyema request, Dyema decline me right through. She declined me. But I tell you one time when I realized that Dyema not really into me. I think Anish, I remember one of the TikTokers they must go dead. Remember who did dead? Every one of the rankers they go. I did a part RaiQ live and everybody RaiQ I show me everybody. I'm gonna say where Dyema there. And he say I'm gonna look for Dyema. So when they give Dyema a phone, Dyema they stand up beside her enhance. And when Dyema take the phone, you see the energy when Dyema give me, Dyema coming like she said, wow. True me there so with enhance her. You know, you can't, even the people them in the comments, they comment and I say, why Dyema? Oh, she got a part, you don't know, enhance.
So, Yanni never in no business.
Me and Enhance used to talk, but Dyema the road Enhance in one party. She stand up right beside the Enhance. Me never know say Enhance beside her, you know. So the attitude that she give me is like, maybe she say, I watch you me there beside her Enhance. I probably want Enhance to see her. The attitude that she did give me, even people them in the comments I say, what make Dyema go on so? You see from the night there, I tell myself say, me nah add back Dyema for my life. Me nah send her no more requests no nothing. She nah decline me. She has show me too much signs so she not into me. So me say, alright, me nah go follow her. One day me dey live and she send me one request. Cause remember me stop sending her request now, you know. One day I never yet come speak about it. Me never yet say what are we Dyema no want answer me that. Me just no PR no mind. One day me dey live and Dyema send me one request. Yes, when I accept the request, Dyema knows she up on the live with figure it out, you know, and she add me to the live. I don't know if the people remember the live there. She send me a request and I accept it. She a figure it out up on the live. And I go so me look like me a figure it out jump at the same time. Me jump. When she add me jump. And when me come off on the live later, me see screen record. And when it shows me jump, it two of them up on the him did jump to and she add him back and she a laugh. And him a say, him a laugh to and him a say, I fuck you doing that, fuck you do that for she did a laugh. They say from that to me say, you know what? Me just stay far from Dyema. And from that day, me and Dyema no cross path again. She know, me no send her no request no nothing. One next time again, Monster come out come say Dyema shot him. You remember when the argument did I go on? We say Dyema shot him. And me take it up on my head and me class Monster for Dyema, you know. Clot Monster for Dyema. Me bring down Monster no blood clot. You know, say 2 days after when Dyema, she back and forth pan live. 2 days after Dyema go live. And the people never say, all want go and Vanny pick up Fiona or whatever. And shit. Me don't know because she did angry and she say, me and one girl, me don't want nobody cuss for me cuss for myself. And then she start class Monster again. And me she talk. And me, the people them tell her, say, did I cuss for her? And she say, me and one girl, me don't need nobody for cuss for me, you know. Me I take on that dirty boy by myself. And then she just jump in and start cuss the Monster.
So
I'm looking at myself and me I say,
cut his story and a man feelings.
you have to use the word correctly. What you mean, Uno? Or me can be or me if you bring man feelings to one boy when we do it from high school. When me and him did friend before my Dyema friend and him play and I tell story about how much woman and it never done nothing to me. Remember me ever said she request and she ever dodge my request them and she ever give me attitude when me and her ever play a match. I'm more likely to she and the boy they know. But I don't know if she feel like me I go up on the screen when him up on it and laugh or whatever. And she I mean, just not paint no man. I say, you know what day me and her cuss. I tell you, and not even them then. This is the most reason why I don't see a man problem she can about. What day when me and her cuss, you know what the woman do? The woman draw from one picture on her phone and say, this make me mad. And show me one tattoo. Show me one tattoo when Javi must put down her name. I swear upon my dead granny life, and not even know say Javi put her Dyema name. I tell you all the while, me watch Hakeem and Rosalie more than all me watch Dyema. I don't watch Dyema and Javi, honestly. For them series, boring. It's just that them have more chemistry than Rosalie and Hakeem. Me more for watch Rosa and Hakeem more than Javi and Dyema. I don't watch them. Me see them up on my For You page, and when me see them, me scroll past them. I don't watch them. The only reason why, the longest me ever watch them, and when the four of them up on screen, or when they go out for dinner, or them there Airbnb, I don't watch them. So when you come on live and share say, this make me mad because Javi put, I never know say Javi put a Dyema name. I never know that.
Feeling
And when me and her cuss, when me and her
cuss.
cuss, I should show me say that make me vex. Then and there, me know say, alright. Now me know why you don't talk to me because a man can. Oh, me and you cuss about something and you go tell me, say, this make me vex. When Drake's did just come on the internet, there was no, Kiki was around, you know, and Kiki see everything want go on and she never want to run up in a Drake's because she feel like say Drake's ugly. And through some people I say, boy, Drake's warm and this and that. She didn't want to be the first to run up in him. You see, as soon as she see every little TikToker I play a match with Drake's and she see me and Drake's done bestie, all of a sudden, as me and Drake's done bestie and everybody have me and Drake's video, they all up on TikTok I say, boy, I love Bonnie and Drake's friendship. There goes blood clot Kiki gonna buy out Drake's for a look special because Drake's look like him love rum, you know. Kiki go down to Drake's yard, because Drake's got Elsha Beach, go buy him some special fish. When you look at girl, I rub down Drake's face, all of a sudden, da. When now, one if people start, add a little spotlight, add a little, the half of Drake's actually gear a spotlight, you know. When everybody now start upon her live and she have her 5,000, 3,000, she miss her. She used to play with him and thing, but all of a sudden Kiki miss her. Cause Kiki get her top shooter, them, you know, she find somebody named Dwiz. She find Kali and she find all of them top people there. Them start shoot for her, she miss her from Drake's. Boop! Drake's then I look a corner clutch I go and play a match and doing thing. There's no Kiki. Me and Drake's are the sturdy same way. All of a blood clot, so don't know. Drake's where artist name? Drake's Dexter Dap. Drake's Skippy one artist name Skippy something like that. Them they're on Drake's now. All of a sudden,
Skipper.
Well,
you don't play with the artist.
The artist name Skipper and what the other one name? Adex Dex one of them.
No.
All of a sudden now, as Kiki sit top artist round the man, the next day that a Kiki that me see and Drake's again in a camera rub down Drake's. Watch how she go distant Drake's for now. Watch how she distant him again until something come back. You see she come back up again. What do you hear again? Rosalie and Drake's now argue, you know, see Kiki. As soon as Rosalie and Drake start argue, all of a sudden now Kiki want to play match with Drake's and then she skip down and Rosalie have to cuss her and block her. And so she fly go foreign, she fly go where she go. And she do what she do and she come back Drake's for you to cuss off Drake's. See then now, as Drake's and Rosalie start back again. Kiki and
you can't change the subject because
my friend, and I don't like when Drake's play with her.
Bonnie, change the subject.
Drake's is for me and not for blood clot.
The time when me never did release stomach car, you did say Ray, if Ray, and your friend and Ray, so me no want hear nothing about she. If you have no more story, you can give me more
Because me take the little dirty. No, Candy can't take with Drake's and my Drake's from me and Drake's day one. She after. You know I say, what the fuck you mean Candy take away my best? You crazy? Drake's is for me. You don't know what I said the other day. I think me and the girl I want to look bestie something did I go on, you know. When did I run her, me that say, oh God man, make sure stay. The girl this me next year for candy. Not woman candy, man candy. Yeah, she take her. Nobody can take drinks from me. Drinks are my drinks then. I'm my drinks then.
What go on what happened with Ziggy and Jayden today?
What you mean?
People them did that tell me say some girl argument.
Oh, I'm not telling you now. Say no, sir. Mr. Jayden make the video where he make, right? Louis, stop. Jayden make the video where he make, right? Bow me. Me see it. Me never text him. Me never class him. Me never comment on it. Me just block him. Just block him and done. Nikki Chromas did post and say her Instagram get take away. You know me can't get back Instagram page Me been a text her for help her get back her page, no answer. So me see her the live. When me click the live, Jayden up on the screen. Bear in mind, me not troll him or nothing, you know. Me comment and say, Nikki, when you come off of the live, check your DM, me go help you get back your Instagram. Nikki Chromas there see my message, so everybody keep on herself. Read Vani message, and I spam it. Whoever they can tell you. I suck up now, she see me and say, she read up my comment and say, Vani, what you say? As Jayden hear me name, stop. As Jayden hear me name, ball out, him down pan. Like, where the word him give me, like, that's a Glock 47 or something like that. I call me some shooting. Like him, like.
Yeah, gone.
Yeah, and daddy and him a troll and me not pay him no mind. Every time Jayden go live, he not get no gift here, no shoot like Vaughn, you know. You know, the one who could get a little chance to get a clout. You see, you have your own clout, but you still you can't mind him to get clout. Me not pay him no mind. Me and Ziggy a play. You know, long Ziggy beg me to send him some gift. I think I yesterday go on Ziggy live. Me send Ziggy a baby cake. To them, me a scroll. Me see Ziggy put him the number one. Me click on Ziggy live. I him and Jayden a play. Remember, you know, me nah meds Jayden. If me didn't want to cuss me come cuss car. You know, so me get done. Me black him and have nothing to do with you. Me send Ziggy one gift. And it be a big problem. It's like you can't gift nobody again on the app. And then something I make it people lose gifters. You give somebody and they start classy gifter. It's like, you get what me I say? Me don't have nothing, me and Jayden don't have nothing, you know. And me black Jayden, and me block him without cussing, without comment, without trolling, without being disrespectful. Me just block you and me just go about my business. Why me send a gift to Ziggy? I feel make you crush out, he start this me, well, me pussy this, me pussy that, and this and that. Me shoot for Ziggy was about 2 to 3 games and win him. Me da go do me ear, and me say, Ziggy, me I do me ear so me can shoot again, look more. Shade must send him lion, you get out of hand. Must start class Ziggy, but if, me don't know, me end up come on for live and go do me ear, so maybe I that them did a cuss both to them, I don't know.
Somebody, woman. Vani, may I go for my next phone? Don't go nowhere. We'll play too much, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, they said no, not that story. So me don't know what happened after that.
Whoa. See, the time I done. My next phone I'll come back.
Not that. Oh,
Business. You can't give me one next game after Nuggets, please. I love you so much.
yeah, take the streaks, them and the body that they have to shoot for me. Me nah the body for shoot for me.
You can't
Me not see nobody here would have saved them. Gary gone. And me not have nobody here. Take my streaks them. I be a shooter you have over there. So my black and dummy him can't come back.
What make?
Cause in my cloud chase time, see one little video with me, and he go make video and I scratch. You can't do that. I used to be your friend.
But
You will do anything for your little views, and if you show me that, me I block you. Ziggy man this.
Me make video.
One Vani.
No,
King, I'm
yeah,
a
don't be make it. Hi, Alder, baby.
Hi.
He said he got permission. Lie. If people them depend him life. Him say man put my name in a court in the book.
Vani, look at.
He say man put my name in a one book for court. And I said that now go bother me. Yeah, me never give no permission or you talk about permission if you go make video with your friend or something.
Lifestyle. Lifestyle king.
Did he cook or his girl?
Whoa, God.
Let me see food. Yeah, me take out my lip filler. Let me see food.
See food, Vani. I'm business partner cooking. See the lobster and shrimp and white rice.
Business partner is crazy.
God, me not like the ear again. Me feel like they put too much of that ear here, so it's stuck here, so. And then they don't put enough down here, so they should have put more.
Here, alright, for it.
The ear the level, more ear for that down here, so too.
Girl, here,
Tell you, look so good, girl, you know. It's like they don't know if you do ear. Every time I go there, they fuck me up.
Bonnie here, alright, girl.
Me too.
Yeah.
They always fuck me up too. Hi, Jam.
What king?
Me see one works. Then Fox it in a business place, but what we can do people?
No, me never had no moose.
That's the same thing I asked him about. I was like, why are you on my For You page giving trouble? That's what I asked.
Right.
King. Vani, me I tell you, cause for that, only day I'm after telling you the truth. Bro, all the we can explain for me. King Tavi can't tell you no. Sneaky them can't tell you no. Bro, we know Rose a long time before Jayden. Long time. Bro, Rose can't tell us the Ziggy Jar the blueprint. You understand, bro? I mean make him know her.
So what's the problem?
Mario, it's a Donia. It's a organization of them. Canadian them, bro. All the key casting over. Rose.
For sure, Jayden say you're not top man, boy. Cause you want to feel like he's a top man where you alone fuck one girl and bring her up on the internet when the man them don't know about her already. Go ahead. Cause every time you see him a trouble like. And you feel like him a smarty like him a god. Why you feel like him a god at the app? You come out and
the man come people. Beg me Rose. Mr. Jayden Sierra, I'm a nurse. Bro, me about 1K over here. I tell him about Rose. You understand? Two by now next week you reach a Jamaica. Then you feel like you're somebody you're hype and Ziggy.
Yeah, you feel like you're the done now cause you meet one girl 1 week, you fly her in. I hype thing on the internet and see that you flap yourself now.
I'm gonna flap himself. Bro, and me alone can't flap Jayden.
Let me tell you something. Everybody have them bad ways. But you see Jayden, we want to praise Jayden. Only not to say Jayden is a little bad mind, blood clot, like a manipulator. One time I used to rate Jayden, but every time by days goes and days go, I realize I just want like a snake under the grass. Him hype and him bad mind. He ex to come out to a little business, he say I come out to the same business. Everything your ex do, you run up in the girl. A girl you never know say, cause remember people that used to come and say, you take care of your ex and you give her the highlight. No, mama do her thing without you and show the people them say you don't need her, you take a set for her. Yeah, they are play a match today. Me go give Ziggy is a problem. You see somebody a number one, you come. Them did ask me. You shadow, you take time, I come out and you shadow, you're too hype, brother. You're too little bit of hype. Me don't know what do you? What do you? See you know? You think you was a king for get one girl come to Jamaica in less than 3 days. Your friend says Ziggy know her before you. Blood clot.
Let me alone, Vani. All Mr. Sneaky.
You there?
Bro, you have gallis pan there, Vani. Them when a gallis.
You could have click like for me, I don't care.
Them when a gallis, Vani.
Click like for me, I'm still that. And the black one, I block him vex. I used to choose my block him and not cuss him, but just block him. It make him not care how him talk about me not give him the reaction when I want to say him vex. He could have clicked all 1,000 live after this, but still now look.